YouTube, you don't know what time it is in the lab. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, there with a early morning reaction phone, you know. You see me telling some bangers, me drop on the top, you know, and I get bangers right round the clock. And today we're there with none other than the one I'm sure been reacting, you know. Yeah, man, we're there with Mr. Crucial Conflict himself, man. Yeah, man, we're there with Deva Bratt, the one I name West One. Yeah, see me, Mr. Homage, Mr. Bloodcleat. Hey, we'll check it out and see what dog I do. You see me, the one I name West One. A lot of people talking about it, said this is one of the harder this way I'm true towards. God, I don't know. We'll check out and see what good dog I deal with. Now we'll provide much longer. Let's get it, gang.
Actually, hey, I'm Rombre.
Last man standing, come on.
Tell you, I got a mission to do, my friend. Me, my gun, I tell you, contigo, me and my gun.
My friend, I'm on a mission, huh? All right, come on, we speaking in Spanish, eh? Okay, Holmes, come on.
That's all I need. So, me take it in the days of when the West was one. Me cap down in my face, me chica finger rest pan. Me smith a Western figgy, them a lesson, me no bless man. Me ride through the town as a outlaw, all ex-can. Me see a posters with a head, them have 1 million. Panda man now wanted by the bounties, and gangsters in the hang. Me ask them where him name, and them say last man stand. Me ask where you can find him, and them say Gazaland. Me one saggle out a riding pastallion with me chrome pistol that shine like medallion. The first man me sight a black rhino, and him ran me him. Pants in a foot, him face strap into the pig pan. Put one in I
Whoa. Dave, that's trying to get bites. Me ain't know this. The man said, I take you back to the idea when the West was one. You know what that mean? Back into the wild West. They ask your name, they say last man standing, and me alone, and me stallion run with me crow pistol. You know who man attack? Him attack cartel, the last man standing. Come here.
Same way him name and them say last man stand. Me ask where you can find him and them say Gazaland. Me one saggle out a riding pastallion with me chrome pistol that shine like medallion. The first man
now alone roll on pastallion with me chrome pistol shine like medallion. Me ask him a woman, they say him the last man standing. Where you find him? Gazaland. You don't know we dog attack. Come through the man.
Say Gazaland. Me one saggle out a riding pastallion with me chrome pistol that shine like medallion. The first man me sight a black rhino and him ran me game. Pants in a foot, him face strap into the pig pan. Put one in I made and continue the mission. Pan the roof, the rifleman. Him a one baby into the pram. I try to kick up a star, me shoot the gun, no time on. I chase to a rebuild him, drop off and drop plumb. The one in the out there in the
he spot blind and shoot him and drop in a ping pan. The next one, he see try kick up a storm, but he where try kick up a storm? What?
On the roof, the rifleman. Him a one baby into the pram. I try to kick up a star, me shoot the gun, no time on. I chase to a rebuilding him, drop off and drop plumb. The one in the out there, in a suit like Cam, me go suck on my arm a slam so like a
out clear, Javinci now, piece, you don't even demand them so
plumb. The one in the out there, in a suit like Cam, me go suck on my arm a slam so like a bomb. My Remington when me get from the Mexicans.
Man say come along a slam like come a Remington. Come here, me. I try to put this on Deva Bratt. Come here, me. Weird, this man bad no blood. Why?
In a suit like Cam, me go suck on my arm a slam so like a bomb. My Remington when me get from the Mexicans. A 20 piece of peso for bring warm him head or him hand. So no ask whatever they pan. Clap corn in a face from a war them the pan. Now what them the pan.
Nah man. I'm so granny.
Slam sound like a bomb, my Remington when me get from the Mexicans. A 20 piece of peso for bring warm him head or him hand. So no ask whatever they pan. Clap corn in a face from a war them the pan. Now what them the pan. Me need the money, I'm a desk man. Me and me gun married me.
I'm a war them the pan when them the pan. Me need the money, I'm a desk man. Man, we not fools are dangerous, brother.
The grown man best man. In the Wild West, me have the vilest quickest hand. Kick the door of the casino. Me no ask questions, sight him a gamble. With dirty Harry and Charles Branson. Put shot past scatter him say, where you from? Me tell him say me represent the crucial clan. I try to offer me a drink, I try to put
Scatter get it, Jesus. Boy, what? Scatter get it.
Sight him a gamble with dirty Harry and Charles Branson. Put shot past scatter him say, where you from? Me tell him say me represent the crucial clan. I try to offer me a drink, I try to pull a fast one. Me say tender, give me some whiskey. No give me the vibes one. Me know say him a Judas.
Give me the whiskey dog, no vibes one. We not
the corner, try fi offer me a drink, I try fi pull a fast one. Me say tender, give me some whiskey, no give me the vibes one. Me know say him a Judas double crossing, like a snake in the grass, that double blast, you're gonna be the last one. Wait, me, the door push, no problem push.
It's a double cross or like a snake, but the one that gonna be the last one.
The last one. Wait, me, the door push, no problem push, no mad dog, mad sus. Papa off him pistol and shot himself in 9 foot. Should I load the badness go on the country go and go chop bush. The sheriff from the
weird. Man saying see the door a push, but I no pram push. A mad sus shot himself in 9 foot. But he go on the country now. Lord badness, come on.
Mad sus. Papa off him pistol and shot himself in 9 foot.
Weird. Deva, why you deal with the Gaza like that, man? Why you deal with this? These was once your team members. These was once your co-workers, bro. What are you doing?
No pram push, no mad dog, mad sus. Papa off him pistol and shot himself in 9 foot. Should I load the badness go on the country go and go chop bush. The sheriff and the senator each up in the passage. When me swing the berita, the damage I go savage. He must scream like Erica shot bust him ferry. Should I never become an handbag and get carried away? Bumbo class.
Weird handbag. I wear handbag again. Man say yo, I man, the papa off the berita. You should have never give you a handbag, but I get carried away.
Because shot bust him ferry. Should I never become an handbag and get carried away? Me see Mooney run. Brother, me they ever shot him, me throw me gun. Gun on the cook him name head and him show the ground. Not even quagmire wedding suit not done. When gunshot a beating
I'll Mooney get it, brother. In the brand new Benz Mooney, G's and P's, and the GLE dog.
Show the ground. Not even quagmire wedding suit not done. When gunshot a beat in a second, teach the sheep them a lesson. The right over me left hand and I shoot it like a Beckham. Guns in session, me no need confession since you not apologize. Look
right over me left hand and I beat it like a Beck. Boy, move up, come through.
Open on me weapon. This should have never try black ball or black talent. No, black talent, show you what I meant. Shot beat like criminal, you never know what.
Man say should I never try black ball or black talent. No, the black talent I show you. Hey boy, go on.
Should I never try black ball or black talent. No, black talent, show you what I meant. Shot beat like criminal, you never know what's coming. One man chatting in the war.
Shot a beat like criminal, you never know what's coming. Close that skirt. Never know the history enough to even get that, you know. You know Kumina and no Ska. You see, Jesus Christ, yeah man. Kumina, you know say Kumina with the drum. So you just shot a beat like Kumina, beat like a drum, you know. And you don't know what Ska mean, you know, Ska that dance where you used to swing your foot fast and like, you know, say like you're easy.
Shot beat like Kumina, you never know what's coming. One bag of chatting in the war and a lament. Boy, go for the go, don't stick with the lamed. Crush man, I crush out the comment like a damn egg. Send for now around the nightly fix panel. CNN, prime time news every channel. Look up in the Smith and West, spin barrel. White shirt and red and a wine and a sorrel.
Buckley, man say white shirt tone red and no way now no sorrel. You know say blood do it. Jeez and peace. R.I.P. Vibes Cartel, date of death, wedding day. Failure to apologize and show homage, funeral home. Shit, National Memorial Park. Jeez and peace. Yeah man. Wait, a vibe free. Wait, I'm reading wrong. R.I.P. Vibes free free Kel. Blood. Jeez and peace. Deva Bratt. Don't ramp with the Deva, I know. Jeez and peace. This madman. Yo, gang? Hey. But I forgot don't think about the one there, man. Yeah, man. Deva now play. Deva come for murder. Kill, shot boy and take names. Kill boy ask question later. Deva now play, man, gang. I don't think about the one in the comment section. You see me I say? If you don't like it, if you show the artist on the van support, make you know say they dancing. You see me I say? Like me say, gang, Bangladesh Japan, they tap around the clock, you know, no, when I tune a Japan, you know. Just have to keep the eyeball peel and stay glued. You see me turn on the post notification and look out for me go live. We go live later. We're talking about topics, what's going on in the culture, everything. So look out for that, gang. You don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Make sure to mention all the lines that I'm missing. Let me know. Let's